vlog video, I'm going to take you through what happened about the coffee war, on the coffee bill war that took place in Parliament, and at the end of it all, the bill was passed successfully, annoying the Buganda. And so in this video, we are going to look at what Zaake said while in the hospital, because he has spoken out, Akol has not yet spoken, and also we are going to look at the reactions from the Buganda MPs, a few one, maybe only one of them, and then also Dr. Chris Barry-Omunsi, what he said, then reactions from other people, even legal practitioners, and yeah, bring it through some comedy that you might have already been watched who were reacting to this. Let's go.
I believe for Akol has been a setup, has been persuaded by government to do this to me. Because by the time I returned to the seat, I explained to him, please leave my seat. He refused. When I insisted to sit, he decided to pump a lot of punches on my head, targeting my head. He hit me in the sides of the head, you know, at the back of the head, especially underneath my neck. I feel there's a lot of burning right there. They've given me some medicine, some painkillers, some very strong painkillers of 7.5 morphine, but it can't reduce. It's still a lot. But I know that they always target me.
So that was Francis Zaake speaking while in the hospital, a very serious one, when he was visited by Joel Senyonyi, the leader of opposition. And also, when we look at via Explorer, the Buganda MPs condemn Zaake's misconduct, blame him for disrupting strategies. Legislators from the Buganda region have anonymously condemned and distanced themselves from the misconduct of MP Francis Zaake during the plenary session on Wednesday, November 20th, 2024. So that is what is on Explorer. They're saying that Buganda MP anonymously have condemned what Zaake did. Dr. Chris Barry-Omunsi also reacted. He said, what happened in Parliament of Uganda today is unfortunate. MPs going physical with others is unacceptable. As MPs, we fight using our brains on the microphone. The tendency for opposition MPs to always be disruptive after failing to make credible arguments should be condemned. Then we take a look at one reply from Mr. Tumwesije Isaac Tommy. He said, you have not done any good either for your constituency. Well, Isaac Semakade, popularly known as the legal rebel, who is even the president of Uganda Law Society, also reacted, said rebels, reports of violence today at Parliament are heartbreaking and regrettable. The legislature should be a safe secure and violence-free workplace. But then, that is a edited version. That is an unedited version of the tweet. The original version is quite different. In the original version, he said, "Rebels, reports of violence today at Parliament UG are heartbreaking and regrettable. Legislators should not be a safe, secure and violence-free workplace." Should not be a safe. And then that is when he corrected by saying reports of violence today at Parliament are heartbreaking and regrettable. The legislator should be a safe, secure and violence-free workplace. Well, so far, Akol has said nothing while in the suspension for 3 sittings, but you need to take a look. There's a group of people who are called Soft Grounds Wrestling Uganda. They had some tremendous comedy which has been viral around the internet. This comedy, I think it was acted immediately after the violence because it did not take long and was circulating. So take a look at it.